right, finally some green, guys. Check it out. SoFi's up over 4% right now. We're trading in the mid 14s, and earlier in the day, guys, we hit $14.75. And you know that I bought more yesterday. You guys probably know that. And we're going to break down my plans here moving forward with the stock. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. We're on the road to 100K subs this year, guys, on YouTube. And get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will make up to 8.1% APY. Guys, it's a no-brainer, so use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers, let's dive into it. So, man, we've been breaking out of the gate today on SoFi, and this thing's been going up like crazy, man, which has been quite the opposite of what it's been doing, right? On the 5-day, 5-minute, now we can see a clear breakout finally above both the 180 and the 50 moving averages. We also have a golden cross here, you guys can see, and for the first time in at least 5 to 6 trading days, we're not taking out the lows from the previous day, right? At least as of now. We do have a couple of hours left of trading, but based on how we're looking, guys, I highly doubt we take out the lows from yesterday today, right? So we can see we're finally starting to shift here. The trend is turning in the right direction, although we're not fully breaking out yet, obviously. We're starting to get some signs here. So we are at 1450 right now, so that means we're above the highs from yesterday, and we're actually getting pretty close to the highs from the day before that, which today's Wednesday, so we're talking Monday, right? Monday we opened up at about 1480. Mind you, that's kind of where we got rejected today, so it's ideal for SoFi to get back over 1480, $15, but baby steps, guys, baby steps. In the short term, we are noticing some good signs here for the bulls, and let's see if we can build on top of that, right? Again, we're seeing a reversal on this 5-day. Golden cross, we're taking out the highs from yesterday, not taking out the lows from yesterday, which is also great. And here on the 30-minute chart, we are seeing some resistance at the 180 moving average, so keep that in mind. You guys see some red candles forming under that, so that would be critical to break for the bulls in the short term. And also, let me actually point this out. Do you guys see this inverse head and shoulders? Kind of looks like one to me. I don't know about you guys. Let me know in the comments down below. But we have the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder right here. You guys kind of see it. That could be playing out potentially if we start pushing out of this 30-minute 180 SMA. Time will tell over the next couple of days here, guys, as we wrap up the week. And really, it's a big resistance from $14.50 to $15, and this illustrates it very well on this 1 hour time frame. You guys can see $14.75, $14.50. That was support all throughout February, right? Up until just a couple of days ago, we broke through it. Then it became resistance again. This point needs to break. You guys see how we're struggling at that level right now. And here on the 4-hour chart, if I clear the drawing set, you guys can see as of now we are holding the multi-month support at about $14. We did fall through to $13.60 yesterday. That's where I bought more shares, right? And overall, yeah, we've rebounded over 14. We're holding it as support. That's critical, but we're not fully, like I said earlier in the video, breaking out quite yet. We're not. I mean, you guys can see we still technically have a descending triangle here on the 4-hour time frame. You guys see right here, boom, boom, boom. This could very well be a bull trap, kind of where we are right now. It might, even if it gets to $15, $15.50. That's why I want to see a break well past 16 for this to fully start breaking out again, which we're not showing that quite yet. So The descending triangle's prominent here. Keep your eyes on that. It could still slip through 14, 13.50. It could. And you got to realize that is where I think a lot of buyers are going to come in. That's where I'm looking to buy more, guys, on top of what I just bought. If it starts going in this window right here, if we start trading anywhere here, I'm going to be a buyer of Sofi. I'll start buying more, but for now, I'm just going to hold on to what I have, right? Maybe sell some covered calls. What do you guys think about that? Have you been selling calls on this, or have you been doing getting some cash secured puts? I don't know. What's your and where would you put those cash secured puts? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious what your strike price would be there, what your thoughts are on covered calls on this thing right now. I don't know, because it's been trading sideways, and I don't know if there's much of a breakout coming, at least in the next couple of days. So there could be some opportunity here to capitalize on the increased premiums by selling some calls. But I don't know. Where would you put the strike price? What do you guys think about that? That's kind of what's going through my head right now a little bit. But either way, I'm holding on. I'm holding on to what I got, right? And I wouldn't sell calls on my entire position. It would only be on a certain amount of shares, right? I don't want to get my whole position called away here. That would not be ideal, But what do you guys think about that? And let's see quickly now some other movers. And by the way, guys, have you joined the email list yet? It's free, and I send out my top stocks weekly, right to your email. All you have to do is put your first name and your email address using that link down below. And again, it's free. You guys might as well do it. What are you waiting for, right? So that's a quick rundown here on Sofi, and a lot of other stocks are moving, even though the markets, they're now still mostly in the green, but they've lost a lot of the gains here. You guys can see the Dow's now 0.5% in the red. SPY was up over 1% or close to it earlier. Now it's at break even. It might go red here. QQQ is up 0.25%. That was up over 1% earlier. It might go red by the looks of it. So a lot of stocks right now are doing well despite the indexes giving back a lot of gains. OKLO is one of them. You guys probably know OKLO, the crazy run it had. Now it's sold off a lot, about 40-50%. And since that, today really, we're up 9%, trying to rally here. So that's one that's moving, but we're still under the moving averages here on the 4-hour. I'm not loving that on OKLO, but maybe there's another rally setting up here. JD continues to move, which this is one that, we've called out time and time again. There's still time in this breakout here. I'm not in it because I'm not a big fan of Chinese stocks, but this looks like it's getting ready to rip, in my opinion. It's already up 6.5%. We have a wide open window right here, right between $43 to let's say $48. Wide open window there. Cup and handle, clear as day. This is setting up for a pot, but earnings are coming up soon, which makes me a little nervous to get into this now, but who knows? Maybe it breaks out even before earnings. What else is moving? CrowdStrike, which I also added more of recently, that's up another 4% today, or not another 4%, but it's up 4% after getting hit the last couple of days, which again, I bought the dip there. And CrowdStrike, their earnings are on the 4th of March, and I'm probably done buying it until earnings come out. Then I'll reevaluate if I want to just hold on to what I got, buy more, or do whatever. So yeah, with that being said, guys, I'm going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button. Do not forget to subscribe for more content and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit $100. You get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. The clock's ticking, guys, so if you want 30 free stocks and you want to help out the channel, since it is an affiliate link, use that link down below or go to stocks-surfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.